So the vegan carrot salad was a really good idea, but do you think it'll be enough for kids who spend a full day in school?
I'm not sure. It's a long day at school. Any ideas?
Yeah, I think we should make something else.
Okay, let me check what we have today. So we have some couscous. We also have some cheddar cheese. We have butter. We have a little bit chicken. And we also have some salt. And we always have hot water. Do you think it's enough? Can we cook something from these simple ingredients?
Yes, of course. Chicken and couscous. It's super easy, it's high in fiber, and it's very low fat.
Let's get started. So we're gonna mix couscous with boiling water. We add a little bit salt. And we also add some butter. Okay, add some butter. Let's sit for 3 minutes. Next, we're gonna chop chicken.
Shred cheese. Looks yummy.
I hope it tastes yummy as well. And I really love color. It's kind of yellow one.
Yeah, it looks very nice.
Put some chicken. And cheese. So Alyosh, do you think it's a good lunch for kids?
Yes, I think it is. It's very healthy, easy to make, and so far it looks delicious.
And what I love about that, it's really good hot, and it's really good cold as well, so it's very convenient.
Let's try it.
Really good.
It looks delicious and it is delicious.
And it's so convenient because it's delicious as hot and it's cold as well. Do you want to have it? It's a really good lunch. Do you want to more?
Salad, you'll need to shred the cheese. I'll show you how you can easily and quickly shred the cheese. So to shred the cheese, you're just going to use this side on the grater, and you just put this cheese down in these strokes. And keep doing this until you think you have enough cheese. I think we have enough now. And there you go.